going to show you how to make the ultimate pimento cheese. I know I said pimento cheese. I'm not a fan of pimento cheese until one of my friends, they went down to Austin a couple weeks ago and brought me back some HEB. If you're in Texas, you know what grocery store that is. It's a very good grocery store. I have a lot of great products, but they brought back some jalapeno pimento cheese. And they said, here, try this. So I tried it. I fell in love with it. It's so good. So today we are making that jalapeno pimento cheese here on Simple Cooking Made Simple with the Carolina Chef. This stuff is so good and so tasty. If you love pimento cheese and you want to take your pimento cheese up another notch, you need to make this recipe. It is wonderful. It's so tasty. So tasty. You will not regret making this. And if you want it spicy, that's fine. You know, if you add extra, some extra jalapeno seeds to give it that little extra spice, some people might not like it because, sometimes that'll burn your butt. So, it's up to you. So let's smash that like button and let's play. So let's go over our ingredients. We're going to use some green onion, some sharp white cheddar, and then some medium cheddar, one hot jalapeno, a quarter teaspoon of this wonderful stuff that they call dill weed, half teaspoon of garlic, quarter of a cup of pimentos that we're going to finely chop, and then the best ingredient of all, well, really not the best, the cheese is the best, but this is the second. This is what makes it. It's a half a cup of my favorite Duke's mayonnaise, and then we're going to use some black pepper. So let's get started grating our cheese. We need about a cup of each, or 4 ounces of a block will give you a cup of shredded. So we have our cheese grated, and the reason I grate it, I feel like it has a lot better flavor than the already grated cheese that you buy in the store. And then it also doesn't have all that cornstarch, so it doesn't stick together. Because if you notice, it kind of sticks together once you first grate it. So, but that's going to be fine for this recipe. So let's chop our green onions. And these are the green onions. I just got them off of here. So we took green onions. We left about 3 inches. And if you've seen my previous videos, you'll see what they started at and how much, they've grown a lot. So now I'm working on a second set because I already took some off. So we used 4 stems, and we're just going to throw the green onion in there. Next, we're going to take these are sliced pimentos, and I'm using Goya, and we're going to finely chop these. And you want to make sure, if you're going to chop them, that you drain these well. Next, I have a jalapeno, and we're going to take out some of this. Make sure you wash your hands real good, that you don't touch your eye or any other body parts that can burn. So we're just going to slice these down, and then we'll finally dice them up. Okay, so let's add our dill weed, our garlic. Go ahead and do our pepper. So now we're going to add our mayonnaise. And any of that leftover peppers, we're just going to take our spatula to get that off and throw those seeds in there as well. So you want to mix this up real good, get everything mixed up well. And this just makes an awesome spicy pimento cheese, or jalapeno pimento cheese, however you want to call it. But this is a great recipe. It is so good. it's one of my new favorite things. I was never a big fan of pimento cheese, but I am now making it this way. This is a really good recipe. You guys should check this out. We want to thank you guys for watching. We appreciate you coming and hanging out with us. Make sure you do the 4 S's for us. Smash that like button, share with your family and friends, subscribe, and set your notifications. Until next time, God bless you.